Hey guys, today I am gonna do a video. So I'm gonna unbox BTS's BTS in the mood for love, or the most beautiful moment in life, or Hwana Yeonhwa, the page version. I know a lot of people do this, but yeah, let's just continue. So here's the first page. Actually not the first page, but the front. And let's flip the book for the book. So the colors are super beautiful, and it's like amazing. The colors are like so freaking clear and wonderful. The quality is amazing, and the pages are quite thick. So yep. So here's Sugar. Here's Sugar again, and here's Sugar smiling beautifully. And here's a group. No. Here's a group picture. Yeah. Another group picture. I don't know what's the difference, but yeah. Let's just continue. So here's the V, Yoongi, and Jimin playing bubbles in front on a joint. And here's Jimin playing bubbles on his phone. And yeah, Yoonmin guys, Yoonmin is real. Yoonmin. Okay. And this album is absolutely amazing, let me tell you. You have to buy it. I have pre-ordered the blue version, and I don't know when it's gonna come. It's the MV signed one, so ding ding ding. Zmon. I should be cool more, but yeah. I'm gonna flip to the photo card page soon. Here we go. So I got a group photo card. It's amazingly beautiful, and it's just everything about this album is perfect, like perfect. So I love my amazing, beautiful, and wonderful group PC. And this page is like quite thick, so I found it very different. So I guess there's something wrong with it. So I just flipped around, and I discovered that you can actually flip out, and it's amazing. It's so cool. It's just you have to, yeah. This album makes me want to cry because it's so beautiful. So here's a group picture. Here's another group. I don't know. Seems like, oh yeah, here's another group picture. J-Hope. J-Hope is sleeping. J-Hope woke up. Oh, J-Hope went to cycle with her friends. It was fun. What you doing, illegal things? Huh? Go home. Go home, Redmond. Go home. What you doing? Jungkook. I'm just gonna go to the supermarket and request for a trolley with Jungkook, because who doesn't want that? Here's the lyrics part, like all the songs and like all the lyrics. So yeah, my Butterfly, Run, Autumn Leaves, House of Cards. I mean, the whole album is my favorite song. So yeah, let's just okay. Here's the thank you words part. And I'm so sorry that I only decided to show Clear up from J-Hope's onwards, because I wasn't thinking at all. So I'm sorry if I didn't show J-Hope, Redmond, and Sugar's picture. I'm sorry about that. Sorry. I'm really sorry. And here's B, my favorite person in the whole entire, okay, he's not a person, he's a me. But yeah, my favorite thing in the entire world. And here's Jimin, still got no jam. And lastly, Jungkook. Cookie is Lego. And here's the last page, all the credits and stuff like that. And yeah, and here's the DVD or CD or whatever you call that. And it's pretty as well. It's amazing. I think Jimmy's prettier though. So, and here's the back of the CD. I have no idea why I showed it, but yeah. And please ignore my nails for the whole entire video, cause it's very ugly. So here's the album, and here's the PC icon. Let's just do it again because it's too pretty. So yeah, bye.